look at that shit. It's pretty cool, huh? I don't know if y'all heard me in the other video, one of the other dyno videos. I was gonna get a buddy of mine to 3D print me some holders for these. Kind of got the idea from one of the other amp dyno guys. I can't remember which one it was, but he had some made out of wood for his. So I asked my friend Paul, I said, man, you can make me some little 3D printed things. And he forgot to print the whole, well, I didn't tell him for this one. So he just kind of drilled them out. They ain't perfect, but hey, for what they are, man, I'm grateful, I'm happy. So I planned on like having this like right there. And then I got some 90-degree cables that I can plug into the back of here. And we're gonna be able to see 1% distortion. And also got this, maybe we can, it's got a clip light. Like I was talking about, go in there, come out the back, and then go back in here. So, shout out to my friend Paul. Thank you, man. Really like those. They fit nice and tight in there. And he made this way better than I imagined, because it's like eons better than probably what I would have made. Thanks, man.